Welcome back to where we bring you the latest car reviews, camper van features, luxury vehicles, and automotive updates from around the world. Today we are taking a detailed look at the 2026 Hyundai Porter H1000 camper van, a compact yet highly practical camper designed for travelers, adventure lovers, and families who want comfort on the road without sacrificing affordability and efficiency. The 2026 Hyundai Porter H1000 camper van is quickly becoming one of the most talked about compact camper vehicles in the market. Hyundai has taken the trusted Porter platform and transformed it into a modern travel companion that combines utility, comfort, technology, and mobility in one smart package. This camper van is designed for people who love road trips, camping adventures, weekend escapes, and even full-time van life experiences. From the outside, the Hyundai Porter H1000 camper van looks stylish and functional. The front fascia carries Hyundai's modern design language with a bold grille, sleek LED headlamps, improved aerodynamics, and a rugged bumper that gives the van a confident road presence. The compact dimensions make it easy to drive in cities while still offering enough interior space for comfortable living. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 model is its improved camper conversion setup. Hyundai has focused heavily on maximizing space efficiency. The interior features foldable sleeping arrangements, hidden storage compartments, rotating front seats, and a compact kitchen setup. The camper includes a mini refrigerator, sink, induction cooking area, water storage tank, and practical cabinets for organizing travel essentials. Inside the cabin, the atmosphere feels modern and cozy. Premium upholstery, ambient lighting, improved insulation, and soft-touch materials create a comfortable environment for long journeys. Hyundai has also upgraded the infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and voice control features. Multiple USB charging ports and wireless charging options make it easier for travelers to stay connected on the road. The sleeping area is cleverly designed to maximize comfort without wasting space. The foldable bed system provides enough room for two adults while some configurations can accommodate small families. Large side windows and roof ventilation improve airflow and natural lighting inside the camper. Optional privacy curtains and blackout shades provide additional comfort during overnight stays. Under the hood, the 2026 Hyundai Porter H1000 camper van is expected to feature a reliable diesel engine with improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Hyundai has tuned the powertrain for smoother highway cruising while maintaining enough torque for carrying camping equipment and supplies. Depending on the market, buyers may also see hybrid or electric-assisted variants in the future as Hyundai continues expanding its eco-friendly lineup. Performance-wise, the Porter H1000 camper van delivers a balanced driving experience. The suspension system has been upgraded for better ride comfort, especially on uneven roads and long-distance travel routes. Steering feels light and responsive, making parking and maneuvering easier despite the camper setup. The braking system has also been enhanced to improve confidence during highway driving. Safety is another area where Hyundai has made major improvements. The 2026 camper van comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems including lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system in higher trims. These features help drivers feel more secure during long trips and crowded urban driving situations. Another impressive aspect of the Hyundai Porter H1000 camper van is its practicality. Despite being compact, the vehicle offers excellent storage solutions for luggage, camping gear, cooking supplies, and travel accessories. Foldable tables, modular seating arrangements, and multi-purpose furniture allow travelers to adapt the interior according to their needs. The camper van lifestyle has become increasingly popular in recent years and Hyundai is clearly targeting younger travelers, digital nomads, and adventure enthusiasts with this model. The combination of affordability, reliability, compact dimensions, and modern technology makes the H1000 camper van a strong competitor in the growing camper market. Fuel economy remains one of the van's strongest selling points. Compared to larger RVs and traditional campers, the Hyundai Porter H1000 is much more economical to run. Owners can enjoy longer journeys without worrying about excessive fuel costs, making it ideal for road trips and cross-country adventures. The exterior design also includes practical features such as roof racks, optional solar panels, retractable awnings, and outdoor lighting systems. These additions make camping more convenient and enjoyable for travelers who spend time outdoors. Hyundai may also offer customizable camper packages allowing buyers to choose different layouts and equipment based on their lifestyle needs. Technology inside the van goes beyond entertainment. Hyundai has integrated smart climate controls, battery management systems, and digital monitoring displays to help users manage water levels, electricity usage, and temperature settings efficiently. Some trims may even include remote smartphone control functions for monitoring the camper remotely. Comfort during travel has clearly been prioritized. The seats provide good support for long drives while sound insulation improvements reduce road noise significantly. Whether driving through cities, highways, or mountain roads, the Porter H1000 camper van aims to deliver a relaxing and stress-free experience. The camper van market is becoming more competitive every year, but Hyundai's strong reputation for reliability and value gives this model a significant advantage. Buyers looking for an affordable entry into camper van life may find the H1000 to be an excellent option. It combines the practicality of a work van with the comfort of a mini home on wheels. Many automotive enthusiasts are also praising Hyundai for creating a camper that does not feel outdated or overly basic. The modern technology, attractive design, and thoughtful layout make the vehicle feel fresh and contemporary compared to older camper van designs currently available in the market. For travelers who enjoy flexibility and freedom, the Hyundai Porter H1000 camper van provides an exciting opportunity to explore without depending on hotels or expensive accommodations. Whether it is weekend camping, long-distance travel, beach trips, or mountain adventures, this camper is built to support different lifestyles and travel experiences. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Porter H1000 camper van stands out as a smart, stylish, and practical camper solution for modern travelers. Hyundai has successfully combined functionality, affordability, comfort, and advanced features into a compact package that appeals to a wide range of buyers. With its efficient engine, versatile interior, advanced safety technology, and camper-friendly design, the H1000 could become one of the most popular compact camper vans in its category. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews, specs, features, and updates about the latest cars and camper vans, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content every week.